big mountains, you start making the choice for the future school.
I see that people are believing that it's just another let's get to a real debate. So you celebrate Sweet 17 with a big party or not? Shall we? Of course, I did my Sweet 17 part since I was there. I imagine my decorated a great party and all my friends came to me.
I'm holding of speaking to my students here. It's a podcast drama. Students presents the fun how they can arguments.
Again, that is justice, but cocktails can cast a lot.
It's not about showing up. It's about a celebrating life. You can still party without a wasting money. Just make a creative and personal.
That is why sharing is not about how friendly you are, but how you live your life. So, suppose you don't want a big party, how would you celebrate instead of
I go for something super, like picnic or cozy dinner with like a friend, and no stress. Just for conversation and love.
This one of the best solution of doing something.
Social media has spread level.
Let's be real. Whether it's small or big, what really matters is celebrating what you've become and helping it to. Okay guys, before we go out, let's share one message, short message for everyone who turning 17 this year.
Enjoy it. We only turn 17 on. It's made memorable.
The responsibility 17 is the time of start future school.
Dream big and be yourselves. This is just beginnings. Stay true you are and make everything special.
That's beautiful. Whether you celebrate it with love or party with loved ones, remember, you make 17 special. Thanks for